and make it automatic.
Holy fucking shippers. Don't leave any in there, Amy. Oh, gaping big fucking hole in your back, man.
You've got a literal hole in your back. Oh, we got some spooch. Yeah, spooching.
Okay, so do I look super rested? I look super rested. And that's because I tried Rest More, and you need to try Rest More. It's an all-natural sleep formula. It's not like Ambien or ZQuil, and it's not gonna knock you out. Rest More is a non-narcotic, and it helps you get to sleep with its unique brand of vitamins and herbs and minerals. It is amazing. It's available on Amazon Prime at buyrestmore.com. I love Rest More.